What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be painting the engine bay in the 71 C10. Alright guys, what's up? So we're gonna be painting the engine bay right here. So we're gonna be painting all of this. We're gonna sand it down first. We're gonna be painting all of this, the front. We're gonna take off this plate so we can get through here and paint all of this too. And then we might paint the back right there too, depending on like how much paint we have left and how much time. But more likely than anything, we will be painting this. So we're gonna go to Walmart right now and get all the supplies we need so we can get this project underway. Okay guys, so we just got back from Walmart. We have all the supplies we need for the little project we're going to be doing today. Let me show you what we have. So we have a bunch of sandpaper. I'm going to put this here. Newspaper so we can cover up some of the stuff from the engine. We have a trash bag so we can cover the engine and like some other stuff, so we won't use as much newspaper. And then we have the spray paint. We got gloss black. Hopefully it looks nice. I know this one's not for heat, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold up. We got two of them. Then we have scotch tape so we can cover up and other stuff. Then we got the spray grip. We're gonna try this out, see how it works. Alright guys, so we're gonna start sanding everything down. We're gonna use some Scotch Brite first, then we're gonna hit it with the sandpaper. But this is the longest process of this whole thing. We're gonna be for a while. Alright guys, y'all wanna see a magic trick? Alright guys, so we just got done covering up everything. As you can see, we covered up the engine, the brake booster down there, the battery. We then covered the back right there because we ran out of newspaper, but we're probably gonna see if we can cover up after this. But yeah, so now we're gonna start painting. Little what do you call it?
Mishap. What do you think?
I think it's going alright.
Are you gonna be a professional?
Like obviously we like take out the engine, we'll paint it, but this is just so it can look a little bit nicer. I want to paint this plastic now so it can look a little bit more nicer too.
Yeah.
Alright guys, y'all want to see a magic trick? Alright guys, as you can see, we're done painting the truck. It doesn't look bad at all. It looks really cool. It came out really nice. But yeah, I think this is a success. There's some spots that are like running a little bit, but that's because like the last owner that painted the truck, it was already like running, so like I guess I just came through. But yeah, like it doesn't look bad at all. I think like it makes it look way more better. It makes it look a little bit more cooler and nicer looking. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.